Hazrat Zahdam Jarmi narrates that they were in the company of Hazrat Abu Moosa Ashari radiyallahu anhu, and at that time there was a bond of fraternity and trade between them and our tribe Jam. So meal comprising chicken as well was presented to him. Among the people there was a red-colored man from Banu Taymullah who seemed to be a freed slave. The transmitter says he did not approach the meal. Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu said to him, "Come close, for I have seen Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam eating its meat." He therefore said, "I have seen it eating filth, so I have developed a repulsion against it, and I have also taken an oath not to eat it." He radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "Come close, I tell you something about an oath." I, along with a group of Asharis, went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to ask for some mounts, while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was distributing the camels given as alms. Ayyub the transmitter states that he thinks that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then in anger. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give you the mounts, and I have no mounts to give you as well." The transmitter says, "We went away. Later Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought some camels. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, 'Where are those Ash'aris?' So we came back. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then issued orders to grant us 5 excellent camels. We then went away, but I said to my companions, we entered the court of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to ask for the mounts, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam took an oath to give us no mount. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam later summoned us and granted us mounts. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has forgotten his oath. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if we don't remind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam of his oath, we will never prosper. Come back along with me so as to remind Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam his oath." We therefore returned and submitted. "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we visited you in order to ask for some mounts. You whereupon took an oath not to grant us any mount, but later you granted us the mounts. We think, or we feel, you have forgotten your oath." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Go, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted you the mounts. Undoubtedly by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills, I don't swear any oath. But then I find people's welfare in something else, so I opt the better aspect and pay the expiation of the oath." Hazrat Hamad bin Zaid has reported it from Ayyub, Abu Qalaba, Qasim bin Asim Qalabi. Similarly, Qutayba, Abdul Wahab, Ayyub, Abu Qalaba, Qasim Tamimi reported this hadith from Zahdam. Hazrat Abu Maymar, Abdul Waris, Ayyub, Qasim reported this hadith from Zahdam as per aforementioned hadith. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 6721.